Dadia, but you can call me Dudge. Alright, I found scarf for only 20 pesos sa ukay-ukay, and then I bought one, and I thought, why not make it into something that I could wear, because obviously you can't wear scarf here in the Philippines. And I forgot to film the part na buo pa yung scarf kasi I was really excited in making it into a rouge crop top. Basta yun. So anyway, this is the fabric. Ito siya. Knitted siya. And it's soft and basta comfortable siya to wear. Pero I don't think it's ideal for summertime kasi mainit, medyo mainit yung ano niya, tela niya. Anyway, so ayun, ginawa ko siyang rouge top. And I also bought another scarf pa for only 20 pesos din. Ito naman siya. Ganyan siya kahaba. Mahaba pa siya actually yan. And I'm planning to make this a sleeveless one. Pwedeng may rouge part din, yung may string sa gitna. Or, I don't know, I'm trying to think of something that I could do with this. But anyway, and I'm planning to make earrings out of these. Kasi di ba uso yun, yung malalaking earrings, pero wala kasi akong hook, yung pang earrings. So, baka maghanap pa ako. Baka bumili ako sa Shopee. Char. Sabihin mo, salamat Shopee. But anyway, I'm gonna use this top as a part. I'm gonna use this top as a pattern. So, ayan siya. Makikita niyo. Crop top siya actually. So, ito yung gagamitin kong pattern sa magiging crop top ko na ganito. Okay, let's start! I folded the fabric in half before I marked it, and when you cut it, don't forget to leave a ½ inch allowance. For the tunnel of the strings, I cut at least 2 inches thick fabric. This is going to go in the middle of the top. As for the sleeves, I used my shirt as a pattern, and I folded the fabric in half so that I would only have to cut it once. trying to sew them all together. this is the finished product. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell. Whatever. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye!